Hi, this is Carole Conlon, and today's mastery of the body is going to talk about the problem empath. Empaths are people who are super sensitive, so much that they feel, hear, uh, they experience what other people are experiences. It can be intuitive, emotional, physical. They can be empathic about pets or the earth. It comes with a price, though. It's very difficult to control, that the person is always tuned into other people, and that can be very overwhelming, especially when there's some type of big emotional problem or issue. The empath gets hit doubly hard by it. The empath does make a good natural healer because they are so aware of how a person is feeling that the client doesn't even have to tell them. And I do know a healer like that. She is about 90% empathic. I don't think she even needs to touch the body before she can say, well, you've got a problem here, 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 and here, and here, and here. And, yeah, the client agrees with it. But that energy gets to be overwhelming. It also can make a person feel pretty lonely, that they've got the ability and other people don't. So I go by what Robert Detzler, who created spiritual response therapy, talked about, that empathy is a program, that it can be cleared. That means we can reduce it to a more normal level. But people have the program because perhaps in a past life or even surviving childhood, it helped them. They knew which way to duck, or it gave them an advantage over other people. So it made them feel important. So why leave it behind? Yeah, but you want to leave it behind. Take the time and learn more, as much as you can, about empathy if you are empathic, but also know that you can control it by letting go of the need for it, and then just call upon it when it's time, when it's necessary. That is my tip today for mastering the body. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and we'll get back to you. Have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video.